For nearly 20 years, Richpack has been at the forefront of packaging innovation, serving more than 300 global brands. We transform ideas into tangible solutions, from design to delivery. Today, let's explore how expertise and precision define the Richpack advantage. Innovation begins with design. Our modular approach adapts to your custom needs, whether it's a luxury cosmetic box or a sustainable jewelry package. At Richpack, design is our passion. Our expert team brings your vision to life with unique, luxurious designs. Every piece is crafted to captivate and enhance your jewelry. We offering a premium experience for your customers through custom dimensions, vibrant colors, precise die-cut templates, and more details. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. Each packaging undergoes strict quality checks. We test for durability, strength, and finish. Only the finest materials are used, ensuring long-lasting protection. Inspired by circular design principles, each packaging adapts to your evolving needs, extending product lifecycle while reducing waste by 30%. Behind every product is a commitment to excellence. Our ISO-certified facilities implement rigorous quality control at every stage. Advanced machinery and skilled technicians ensure 99.8% defect-free output, meeting even the most stringent global standards. Rooted in sustainability, we champion materials that honor the earth. From FSC-certified papers safeguarding forests to GRS recycled plastics, every choice aligns with EU ESPR standards, proving luxury need not cost the planet. From Asia to USA, our 5 factories and more than 1,500 workforce empower global scalability. Whether you're a startup or a Fortune 500 company, Richpack delivers agility without compromising quality. Proven by partnerships with industry leaders in jewelry, gifts, and cosmetics. Are you still searching for the best jewelry packaging supplier? Richpack is definitely the best answer. Partner with Richpack. Elevate your brand, empower the planet.